Good day everyone, I am Julito Colonda-Iwag Jr., a student from IPA College of Mindanao, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education. Today, I would like to share who among all the remarks people in history I would choose to meet if given me a chance, and why this person means so much to me, especially as a future educator. If I could meet an historical figure, it would undoubtedly be national hero Dr. Jose Rizal. I chose Dr. Jose Rizal because he decided his entire life into our country, not wisdom through violence or force, but through wisdom and writing education. As someone to training to become an elementary teacher, I deeply admire his skill. Believe that education is the most tool to bring wisdom, progress, and change. Dr. Jose Rizal's continuous influence to our society because his ideals, patriotism, quality, and the value of education remind us relevant. As ever, he reminds us that heroism is just about big sacrifices. It is about doing our duty, while surviving others, and loving our country in our own simple ways. For me, personally, he inspires me every day to become dedicated, compassionate teacher. He shows me that as an ordinary teacher, I can make a meaningful difference in my community and our nation. Once again, I am Julito Colonda-Iwag Jr., taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education.